This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare oregano oil versus bacteria. We will explore the active components in oregano oil and understand how they interact with bacterial cells. You'll learn about the microscopic world of bacteria and see how oregano oil's effects can be observed. This comparison will highlight the oil's potential as an antibacterial agent. Oregano oil's power comes from compounds like carvacrol, which directly attack bacterial cell membranes. This disruption causes the bacteria to lose their internal components, effectively killing them. The oil can inhibit the growth of a wide range of bacteria, and research suggests it may even be effective against certain strains that resist traditional antibiotics. It's a natural powerhouse. Under a microscope, bacteria reveal a fascinating world of diverse shapes, including rods, spheres, and spirals. Techniques like gram staining help us categorize them, providing crucial information for identification. Observing these tiny organisms at high magnification, typically 1,000 times, allows us to see their structures and how they form colonies. It's a window into their hidden lives. When we compare bacteria treated with oregano oil to untreated samples under the microscope, the differences are striking. Treated bacteria often show clear signs of cellular damage, including compromised cell walls and altered internal structures. In contrast, untreated bacteria maintain their healthy, intact forms. This direct visual evidence powerfully illustrates oregano oil's potent antibacterial effects at a cellular level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.